In this video I'll show you the most important accessory you can have in your car, and this is the microfiber cloth. Not just any cloth, but the microfiber cloth. This is the brand from Lidl, but the brand doesn't really matter. You can buy any microfiber. These ones are very cheap. You can see they're really fluffy. They are really fluffy, and you can clean lots of surfaces with them. Glass, you can clean inside the car. You can clean the glass, the windshield of the car. You can clean the white. Okay, so these are the nothing special about them, really. It's not. Most important is that it's microfiber. This is what you want to buy. They don't leave a residue of this material behind. I can just remove them like this. So I bought this pack of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 microfiber cloths. They were very cheap, €1.50, €1.50, so it's really cheap. And I already have another one. I don't know from where I bought this one. I think it was from somewhere else. I don't know from where I bought this one, but they're very similar. Microfiber cloth. I keep it in the door of the car here. One in the door of the car. And you could keep one really clean one. Keep a really clean one under the dashboard. And you can have a dirty one. It's good to keep them separate, the clean and dirty. You can have one for the windshield. Clean the windshield and also the windows. For example, I could clean the window here, and inside here there's always going to be some kind of this foggy stuff inside the car. I can always clean it there. Okay. So it's a long story to clean everything now, but this is what I wanted to show you, the microfiber cloth for the car. It's really the best accessory to have. And you can have, I have one in each door pocket here, just in case. And sometimes they get dirty, and you can easily wash these with detergent or just soap and water, dry them, and you can use them again. Better than using paper, and they don't leave residue because it's this material, the microfiber. Supposedly it doesn't scratch, but I wouldn't trust too much. If you want to make sure it doesn't scratch, you can make it moist a bit with water and then clean. It's very useful to clean the car like this. You can clean the dashboard easily. That's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you keep microfiber cloth in the car, or what kind of cloth you have, or if you use paper. Thanks for watching.